Alright you guys, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do the perfect half up, half down style. I'm going to be showing you all of my tips and tricks to make sure your style comes out absolutely perfect. First thing you're going to do, y'all already know, you're going to do a solid braid down foundation. If your braids are not flat and they're giving Humpty Dumpty, you might as well throw the whole install away, because if you thought you was going to put a wig on top of some humpy, lumpy, and fat braids and thought it was going to come out cute, you thought wrong. So after you do your braid down, you're going to start your ball cap method. And if you're wondering what I sprayed on her cap, I sprayed the skin guard first. Yes, if you've been here since day one when I created these products 3 years ago, you would know that I always spray the skin guard directly on the ball cap and on their skin. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and I also want you to comment down below when you've completed this whole video, because y'all know it's gonna come out real cute. Y'all know I'm gonna drop them gems. Y'all know I'm gonna put y'all up on game and show y'all how to use these products, keep your clients rolling in, keep your clients happy, and keep learning new techniques, because you know that's what ERICKA J is here for. When you start to lay your adhesive down on your client's skin, you want to make sure that you're doing it evenly, you're taking your time, and you're evenly spreading it out, not leaving any air bubbles, not applying too much product in one area, which will be considered thick layers. You can add as many layers as you like, ranging from the numbers of 3 to 7. But what you don't want to do is put too much product in one area, because the only thing that's going to happen is all of that adhesive is going to seep through your lace, and all of the hair that's on top of your lace is going to be stuck to the lace and stuck to your head. You don't want that. You want to always apply thin layers. Repeat after me. Thin layers. Spread it evenly. Spread it evenly. Spread it evenly. Once that layer turns clear, you add another one. You don't keep adding and adding and adding while the product is still white, because it's not going to come out right. Now that we're over the process of me telling y'all to evenly spread those layers, after you do that, you want to go ahead and apply the lace. Put it down where it goes. You can start to cut the lace off, and once you cut the lace off, there may be some areas that you need to touch up, which is what you see me doing, like at the very front of the wig. And I just touched it up a little bit because I didn't put enough glue in that area, and once I did that, I started the styling process. Now this is the most important part, because y'all know I have many tutorials showing y'all how to put the glue on, how to lay the lace, and do all of that stuff. So today we're going to really be focusing on how to get the perfect half up, half down. And these tips and tricks are things that you need to know if you want your install to look good on your client. Like, you don't want to half-ass it, you don't want to skip no steps, you don't want to try to rush and do it, and you also don't want to be cheap. If your clients want a cheap style and they want it to look good but they don't want to spend no money for it, you just got to let them know and be honest, like, hey, you know, I'm sorry, but sometimes you can't just use a wig to complete this style. You're going to have to add hair. You see how thin that ponytail is at the top? And it's not because the wig is thin, it's just because that half up, half down effect that you're trying to get and go for, you have to add an extra bundle around that ponytail. And I'm going to show y'all exactly how to do that. But what I'm doing right now is taking the very back of the lace and covering up the tracks, which is in the back of the wig. That's very important. You don't want your tracks to be showing. So take some holding spray. Yes, we're using everything, all things ERICKA J. We're using the glueless grip holding spray, and I'm taking the hair that's in the back of the lace and covering the tracks up with that. We're also using the glueless grip holding spray to create the baby hair in the front. This is a pretty time consuming style. This did take me about 3.5 hours to complete because I am a perfectionist and I want everything to be in place, every little hair to be exactly where it's supposed to be. And I also wanted to just really take my time and do this style and really show y'all the exact way to do it. So the bang slash swoop area, you want to take more glueless grip holding spray by ERICKA J and spray it in that part. And you see how I'm neatly combing it into place. And you're just going to have the blow dryer on at the same time so it starts to form. And what I did was twisted the rest of the hair that was hanging and I sewed it to the back of the wig. When it comes down to the half up, half down style, you have to have extra hair on hand. So whether this is an old bundle that you used to have or a brand new bundle that you never used, or if you're just buying a wig plus an extra bundle, that's absolutely fine. What you're going to do is just continuously wrap the bundle around the ponytail. And when you're done with that, you're going to take a piece of hair from the back of the ponytail and spray holding spray on it and wrap it around the ponytail so it gives you that sleek, clean look. The last step to this process is to flat iron the rest of the wig and flat iron the ponytail. Towards the end of the style, I did go ahead and cut the ends of the wig to give it that blunt look for a Barbie doll slash baby doll look, and it came out so pretty. So like I said, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and comment down below of other styles you guys would like to see done on my channel. All of the products in this video are from ERICKAJProducts.com.